On the 28th of June, there was a heavy fight on board of a Carnival cruise ship where 60 people were involved in that fight. It happened in the nightclub where there was some sort of argument or whatever, and people start fighting. The cruise ship security members were involved and they were able to put some order in it, but they had to call the Coast Guard and New York City police at the end. So there was a fight on a cruise ship, guys, on the 28th of June, where 60 passengers were involved in that fight. It happened in a nightclub. New York City police has to come on board of that cruise ship, as well as Coast Guard were involved. As I said, it has happened on the 28th of June. I'll let you guys read it there. The cruise ship was traveling within the Caribbean island where this has happened, and they had to return to New York City. You guys can see a video what's going on. Okay, now guys, I want you to see what I dreamed on 13 November 2020, meaning like 1.5 years ago. Okay, I hope this is clear on your screen. I'll try to enlarge this. It is already enlarged. Okay, the title is Attack on a Cruise Ship, and I'll let you guys read the rest. Like you can see, it has happened. I dreamed that 1.5 years ago. So again guys, everything that happened on this planet, it has to go through my brain first before it happened. So I knew it well before it happened.